Turkey just shocked the entire defense world, and this time it is not buying from America, it is buying from Britain. The anonymous deal, $10.7 billion. And what is Turkey buying here? Wait, not toys, not spare parts. Today, Turkey is buying 20 brand new Eurofighter Typhoon jets, one of the fastest, deadliest 4.5 generation fighter jets on the planet, used by the UK, Germany, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Italy, Australia. This is not just about fighter planes. This is about Turkey planting its flag as a rising air power. You know why this deal is so important? It's very important because Turkey is trying to rebuild its air force after two humiliations. A. America kicked Turkey out of the F-35 program after Ankara bought Russia's S-400 air defense system. B. The US delayed selling F-16 upgrades for years because of political tensions. So now Turkey is saying that we will not be dependent on Washington. We will build our own allies. And the UK, of course, very happy to step in because London wants to keep its grip on defense markets. Well, the bigger story is this. This story is not just about planes. It comes with a full weapons package. Missiles, support gas, training, tech transfer talks. So basically that means that Turkey will now be able to challenge Greece, Russia in the Black Sea, Iran in the Middle East, Syrian militia across the border. Turkey already has a massive drone industry, right? Their Bayraktars changed the war in Libya, Azerbaijan, Ukraine, and now Turkey wants to become a full-spectrum air power. Drones, plus fighter jets, plus homegrown fifth-generation aircraft, that is TFX, Khan we say it, which is being tested right now. And guess what here? Ankara wants another 20 more jets after this batch. Now, if that deal goes smoothly, NATO is silently watching because this is a strange triangle right now, right? The triangle is this. Turkey is a NATO member, the UK is a NATO member, but Germany, also NATO, is blocking Eurofighter sales because of politics with Ankara. So the US is basically bypassing Europe and closing the deal on its own. This shows division inside NATO, not unity. This is the bigger truth, you know. Well, arms deal are the real currency of power today. Turkey is not waiting for America. Turkey is not obeying Europe right now. It is building its own military future with whosoever is willing to sell them. $10.7 billion is not a purchase, ladies and gentlemen. It is a message that Turkey wants to rise again. And this time the skies will be Turkish.